Hello, a very good morning, everyone. So today we are continuing the lecture, the history of Uttarakhand. Okay. In last class we discussed about the Kartikapur dynasty. Okay, and the Kartikapur dynasty is further being divided into various sub dynasties. Okay, in which we have learned about the Kharpar Dev dynasty. Okay, and in Kharpar Dev dynasty, the last ruler was the Tribhuvan Raj. Okay. Now we discuss the second most important sub dynasty of the Kartikapur dynasty, that is the Nimbardev family or Nimbardev dynasty. Okay. So according to the uh, Nalanda inscription, okay, according to Nalanda inscription, there was a Pala ruler. His name is Dharampal. Okay, Dharampal attacked the Gadwal region. Okay, and after this attack, the Nimbar dynasty established in this region, replacing the Kharpardev dynasty. ठीक है, Nimbardev had made treaty with the Palas, and after making the treaty with the Palas, ठीक है, Nimbardev replaced the Kharpardev dynasty. ठीक है, and it is found in the Nalanda inscription. So Nimbardev family, they ruled from 900 to 915 AD. Okay, and the description of Nimbardev is found in the Pandukeshwar inscription. And as per the Pandukeshwar inscription, the Nimbardev family is the follower of Saivism. ठीक है, he built a temple of Jageshwar Dham. ठीक है, okay, he built a temple of Jageshwar Dham, and he was the first who started the construction of the temple architecture. ठीक है, before that the temple architecture was not being present. It was similar to the Buddhist style of temple. ठीक है, okay. Also, in Bageshwar inscription, the Nimbardev is also referred as the Nibrat. ठीक है, so question can give, Nimbardev were also called Nibrat as per which inscription? It is as per the Bageshwar inscription. As per Pandukeshwar, he was named as Nimbardev, and he was follower of Saivism. He started the temple architecture and built the temple of Jageshwar Dham. ठीक है, okay, got it everyone. ठीक है, after Nimbardev, Ishtangdev from 915 to 930 AD became the ruler. He was also the follower of Saivism. ठीक है, and as per the inscriptions, he built certain temples such as the Nataraj temple in Nataraj temple is where? Nataraj temple is in, not in Rishikesh. Nataraj temple is in Jageshwar. ठीक है, he built the Nataraj temple in the Jageshwar. Okay, after the Ishtangdev, Lalit Surdev became the ruler. He ruled from 930 to 955 AD. ठीक है, after Ishtangdev, Lalit Surdev became the ruler. ठीक है, and he was a very strong and generous king. He donated the land to various construction of the temples. ठीक है, and during his period we find the two copper inscription, that is from the Pandukeshwar inscriptions. ठीक है, and in this inscription we found that he was gained the title of Param Bhattarak Maharajadiraj. ठीक है, Param Bhattarak Maharajadiraj. Now question is to you, who is also referred as the Maharajadiraj Param Bhattarak from the Paurav dynasty? His name was Agnivarman. ठीक है, Agnivarman is referred as the Param Bhattarak Maharajadiraj. ठीक है, okay, got it everyone. ठीक है, so he also gained the title of the Param Bhattarak Maharajadiraj, and he was against the Buddhist religion. ठीक है, he built the temple Vaishnav and the Vaishnav temple. ठीक है, okay. After the Lalit Surdev, Bhudev became the ruler from 955 to 970 AD. ठीक है, also after Bhudev, Salonaditya became the ruler. ठीक है, and after Salonaditya, Ichardev became the ruler from 985 to 1000 AD. ठीक है, and as per the Bageshwar inscription, Ichhardev started the dynasty that is called the Salon Aditya dynasty. ठीक है, so Salon Aditya dynasty is started by not by the Salon Aditya but by the Ichhardev. ठीक है, and he also gained the title of the Param Bhattarak Maharaj Raj, Parameshwar, Param Brahmin, Param Mahareshwar. He gained lot of titles. Okay, and one title he got is BVDSVD. What is full form BVDSTV? Bhuvan Vikhyat धर्मधारी सिमन विनी विधात्य दीक्षाधन दक्षय गुरु. So it got a very big title. Okay, Bhuvan विख्यात धर्मधारी शिवानविनी विद्यात्य दीक्षाधन दक्षाई गुरु. So big title he got. ठीक है. So with this uh, the Kartikapur dynasty ended. ठीक है, got it everyone? So Kartikapur dynasty has been ruling for a very long time. ठीक है, they had been for 3rd and 4th century they had been ruling, and it started the medieval history of the Uttarakhand. ठीक है, so when we learned about the medieval history of Uttarakhand, we will learn about the Katyuri dynasty. Katyuri dynasty is also the Kartikapur dynasty. ठीक है, there is a very mismatch in the histories, right? Very confusion in the history of Uttarakhand due to the loss of certain inscriptions, lot of certain evidences. So some rulers, some historians, they refer the Kartikapur same as the Katyuris, and some say that they are not Kartikapur, they are the Katyuri dynasty is different. ठीक है, so there is very big confusion. Okay, so when we learned about the Katyuri dynasty is same as the Kartikapur because they are being ruling in the same areas, right, near the Josimath. So it is believed that the name of Katyuri originated from the Kartikapur. ठीक है, got it everyone? Okay, so in Katyuri dynasty, the king was the very higher authority of this dynasty. The king, he is the very highest authority of this dynasty, who was held by the followings. Yuvraj. Yuvraj is referred as the Kumar Amatya. Question came right in Katyuri dynasty. Yuvraj was referred as the Kumar Amatya. ठीक है, Amatya is the supreme administrator. ठीक है, officer for the security is referred as the Prantapal. ठीक है, officer who arranges the war and the peace, he is referred as the Mahamadi Vigraha. ठीक है, and the supreme officer of the police, he is referred as Mahadandanayak. The supreme officer of army, he is known as the Mahabaldiprat, supreme officer of army. ठीक है, supreme officer of intelligence bureau, there is also supreme officer of intelligence bureau, he is known as Dusyada Sadanaik. ठीक है, got it everyone? The central administration of the Katyuri has been divided into many regions. The region is being known as the Jaya Kulbhupati. ठीक है, so question came right. Administration of the Katyuri dynasty, king higher authority, Yuvraj name is Kumar Amatya, supreme administrator name is Amatya, officer for security borderline region is Prantapal, officer to arrange the war is Mahamadi Vigra, officer of the police, supreme officer of the police is Mahadandanayak, supreme officer of army is Baldiparat. Administration is being divided into various regions known as the Jaya Kul Bhupati. ठीक है, and that Jaya Kul Bhupati is further divided into many districts. ठीक है, known as the Vishayas. ठीक है, so there is one kingdom is being divided into several regions. These several regions known as Jaya Kul Bhupati, and the Jaya Kul Bhupati is again divided into several districts known as the Vishayas. So in this way it is being divided, and the smallest unit of Vishayas is the village. So when we move, the village constitute Vishayas constitute what? Jaya Kul Bhupati, and Jaya Kul Bhupati constitute the kingdom. ठीक है, when we talk about the authority, the Vishya Kul Bhupati, ठीक है, द विषयास, इसके ऊपर क्या था? जया कुल भूपति, और नीचे था विलेजेस. ठीक है, सो हायर अथॉरिटी ऑफ द विषयाकुल भूपति इज उपारिक. फॉर द विसायस इट इज विषयापति, and for villages it is Gamini. ठीक है, I'm once again repeating, this is kingdom. Kingdom is being divided into regions. This region is known as Jaya Kul Bhupati, and the Jayakul Bhupati is the authority who rules the Jayakul Bhupati is Uparik. The Jayakul Bhupati is again divided into the districts, and these districts are known as what? Vishayas. ठीक है, and Vishayas are being Vishayas are being governed by Vishayapati. And these Vishayapati, these the smallest unit of these are known as the villages. ठीक है, and these villages are being governed by Gamini. ठीक है, and the highest authority is the king. ठीक है, so in this way the reason of being Katyuri dynasty is being administrated. ठीक है, okay, and the temple that is being found in the Katyuri dynasty, they are built in the Nagara style. ठीक है, they are being built in the Nagara style. ठीक है, they invented a very new architectural style by replacing the work of bricks with the timber and the stone. ठीक है, नागरा स्टाइल इज पहले क्या होता था, पहले ब्रिक्स इस्तेमाल होते थे. नाउ इन नागरा स्टाइल दैट इज बीइंग स्टार्ट बाय कत्यूरी डायनेस्टी, द आर्किटेक्चर इज रिप्लेस्ड विद द टिम्बर एंड स्टोन. ठीक है, द डोर्स एंड वॉल्स आर पेंटेड विद द पिक्चर्स ऑफ द गंगा यमुना, ह्यूमन बींग्स, बर्ड्स. पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. ठीक है, पिक्चर्स वर मेड ऑफ वाइट, रेड, ग्रीन स्टोन्स. ठीक है, in Baijnath temple you can see that the pictures are made of green stone. ठीक है, and in many similar to Baijnath. ठीक है, Baijnath was because the main temple of the Katyuri, because they shifted the capital from Kartikepur to the Baijnath. ठीक है, so that's why in Baijnath you can see the prominence of the Katyuri dynasty. ठीक है, got it everyone? Okay, so I have talked to you that the Katyuri dynasty, how the Katyuri dynasty used to get a source of income. So they get used to their source of income from the land revenue. So land revenue is known as the bhag. ठीक है, and the tax that is being collected. ठीक है, the tax collector name was called the Bhogpati. Bhogpati is the one who collect the tax from the land revenue. Land revenue is called as the bhag. ठीक है, and the land is being calculated or measured by नल विपम. ठीक है, नल विपम इज द मेथड टू मेजर द लैंड. जैसे आज के ज़माने में हम गज बोलते हैं ना, गज, हेक्टेयर, एकड़. ठीक है, तो उस ज़माने में नल ली वापम इज द मेथड दैट इज यूज टू मेजर द लैंड. ठीक है, एंड द मेजरमेंट ऑफ लैंड वाज डन बाय द ऑफिसर दैट इज नॉन एज द परमावतार. ठीक है, so this is all about the Katyuri dynasty. ठीक है, so rulers of the Katyuri, they were very powerful. ठीक है, there was very confusion between the Kartikepur and the Katyuris. ठीक है, but in some lok gathas, ठीक है, because the main source of history was what? Folk songs, folk tales, jagars, or we can say the inscriptions and stones. ठीक है, so in Uttarakhand mostly the jagars, that is the folk songs that has been passed on to the generation as the main source of the history. ठीक है, and as per the folk songs, the Katyuri dynasty is started by the Asanti Dev. ठीक है, the capital of Asanti Dev is in Josimath. ठीक है, the capital of the Asanti Dev is in Josimath, but later it shifted its capital to the Ranachulakot. ठीक है, and the last ruler of this Asanti Dev dynasty is the Viram Dev or Brahma Dev or Veer Dev. Veer Dev is being referred in the Jagar. If you used to hear the Jagar of medieval Kumaon region, ठीक है, you will found the prominent name of the Veer Dev in that in the most of the Jagars. ठीक है, got it everyone? Okay, so Veer Dev, it is also referred as the Veer Dev. ठीक है, now there is very prominence of one queen when we talk about the Katyuri dynasty is the Jia Rani. ठीक है, the young names. ठीक है, before the marriage the Jia Rani is known as the Mola Devi Pundir. ठीक है. एंड सी इज रेफर्ड इज द कुमाऊंस लक्ष्मीबाई. कुमाऊं के लक्ष्मीबाई बोला जाता है किसको? जिया रानी को. ठीक है. ठीक है. सी मैरिड प्रीतम देव हु इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द पृथ्वी पैलेस पर सम लिटरेचर. ठीक है. एंड जिया रानी हैज 3 sons. ब्रह्मदेव that we talk about, the last ruler of the Asanti Dev dynasty. ठीक है. ओके. धर्मदेव एंड फूलदेव. ठीक है. Now Jia Rani is very famous for the Rani Bagh war. ठीक है. What happened during the period of the Jia Rani? ठीक है. In 1398 AD. ठीक है. तिमूर. ठीक है. तिमूर लंग अटैक्ड द उत्तराखंड. ठीक है. In 1398 AD, Timurlung attacked the Uttarakhand and Jia Rani was the prominent queen at that time. So Jia Rani succeeded in defeating the Timurlung. ठीक है. And in that function, in that particular memorandum, the Jia Rani Mela is being celebrated. ठीक है. We can also find the Jia Rani cave. When you visit the Ranbagh, you can also find the Jia Rani cave there. ठीक है. So this is all about